So, Alison Certificates Worth It. Alison Certificates Worth It. Let's talk about it in this video. Have you used your Alison certificate to progress in your career, or what has been the experience? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So, Alison certificates are generally considered low-stake credentials. They are excellent for personal growth and learning a new skill, but they hold significantly less weight in a professional job market compared to university degrees or industry standard certifications like CPA, PMP, and the sort. So let's get that right. So, are you going to get a job at a major firm using an Alison certificate? Rarely, because most of these big firms prefer accredited degrees and prefer big names and platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and the sort. So they rarely look at your Alison certificate. Is it good for upskilling in your current role? Yes, there are some people who actually look at them just to give you a bump in your current role. Again, it depends with the situation. So, some pros and cons. In terms of the pros, many of the courses align with continuing professional development standards. That's a good thing that these courses on Alison, they align with continuing professional development standards. And another advantage is there is a massive variety because they offer more than 4,000 courses ranging from highly technical IT, health, to trade skills, carpentry, food safety, and stuff. As well as another advantage is Alison certifications and courses have a low barrier to entry. You don't have the prerequisites that you often find at various other courses, so you can start learning immediately. Again, the disadvantages or the cons is that recruiters often view Alison as an entry-level or basic certification or certificates, so they don't really pay attention to them. User experience, some people have also complaining about aggressive pop-up ads unless you pay for a premium subscription on the platform. Otherwise, you have to contend with adverts that just pop up everywhere, which disrupts and distracts when you're trying to learn something. And there are no academic credits. You cannot transfer your Alison certificates to a university for credits toward a degree. So that's another major disadvantage. So the verdict, don't pay for the certificate if you just want the knowledge. You can list the course on your resume as coursework in something. So if you take your Alison training, just don't pay for the certificate. At least that's my advice. You can just list whatever you studied on Alison as coursework in food safety without the physical paper. Pay for the certificate if your specific employer basically requires proof that you completed the Alison course that you mentioned. And what else? If you have managed to get a job with your Alison certification and you have had good experiences with them in terms of your career, leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below.